A warm welcome to everyone. Thank you for joining us today. It's an absolute pleasure to host our esteemed channel community. I wish we could meet face to face very soon. Our partners have played a key role in our growth and success, and we would like to take this opportunity to celebrate our accomplishments together and recognize our partners who have stood with us through time and who have made an impact with their exceptional commitment and expertise. We have a power-packed agenda, and we'll be talking about StarLink's evolution and growth to where we are today, followed by an insightful conversation with thought leaders from our industry. We'll be launching some innovative initiatives designed to empower our partner community and, most importantly, recognize our partners. So let's get the ball rolling. Stay with us. The threat landscape is forever evolving and has been of a growing concern. This is not new. We all agree. We also see a rapid shift in the mindset and significant expansion in the cybersecurity investments. Some of those stats are proof to that. Cybersecurity market is expected to grow from 260 billion in 21 to 460 billion in 25, with a CAGR of 21%. As per IDC, intelligent process automation software market, which includes content intelligence and RPA, will grow from 13 billion in 19 to 21 billion in 23, a CAGR of 10% as well. According to Gartner, the global cloud computing market will grow from 445 billion in 21 to 950 billion in 26, with a CAGR of 16%. This is another big one. Let me also take you through some important market trends. Multi and hybrid cloud environment will continue to grow. Adoption rates are expected to rise, better aligned with the business goals, drive innovation, and manage costs. Information security and retaining compliance will be in high demand in the complex environment. And the third trend, that organizations will prioritize artificial intelligence and automation investment to enhance business operation and achieve agility and efficiency. These are some major transformational changes that are evolving at a fast pace and gaining momentum. To keep up with these changes, StarLink has continuously focused on empowering partners to gain expertise and become solutions specialized to be able to cater to the relevant market needs. This is where StarLink has paved the way and ahead of the game. We have strived to enable partners to transform for the future with cutting-edge technologies that are part of our evolving cyber, cloud, and intelligent automation domains. StarLink's vision and mission is to be the best and the biggest, also to support our partners in the best and most optimal way. However, what makes us unique is our ability to reinvent ourselves. We continue to differentiate ourselves alongside our partners and together support customers transform their business with robust technologies. Which brings me to our theme of the year, StarLink Transformed with Intelligent Automation. Intelligent automation being a disruptive technology that will change the way customers align their business operation and accelerate digital transformation to achieve greater agility, productivity, and cost efficiency. And how we do this at StarLink? A key differentiator that makes StarLink successful time and again is our unbeaten strategy defined by three main pillars. The sales engine we have built to support customers, partners, and vendors. The strength of our portfolio and our best-in-class operation excellence. Let me briefly take you through each of those. We've invested in 6 sales engines to support customers, partners, and vendors, starting with our business development team, who supports their named accounts with all their digital requirements to run a successful business. Those BDMs are supported by a specialized pre-sales team who are well versed into the technologies and customer industries. Moreover, and to derive a clear strategy with our vendors, we have built a product management team with our mission to create demand and transform channel jointly with our vendors. Speaking of demand generation, StarLink have invested in the largest marketing engine by any distributor in the region that support end-to-end marketing initiatives up to lead, nurture, and generating quotes. And finally, we've topped our investment to cover the channel with dedicated channel managers who are working closely with our strategic partners and global system integrators as a part of our channel transformational drive. Now, let's talk about the second pillar, which is the strength of our portfolio. As we shared earlier, our portfolio has grown over the years from being cybersecurity focused to being digital focused, with the addition of the cloud, and now with our third division, intelligent automation. We are taking the digital agenda of the customers to the next level. However, we remain true to our mission to protect the data of those customers. The third pillar is our operational excellence, and we are very proud of what we've built over the years. Today, we are able to deliver solutions and services in 20 countries door to door. We have the best in the industry technical support team, as our tech center operates at 95% success rate autonomy versus an average of 85% required by many of our vendors. Clearly, that speaks about the quality of the technical resources and their level of expertise. Speaking about training, we are proud to be an authorized training center for many vendors, and over the past few years, we trained more than 5,000 students. We have invested in more than 60 resources in our professional services team to support customers. This has enhanced customer relation and retention. Customers continue to use our technologies, allowing us to achieve impressive customer retention rates of 92%. We have achieved massive revenue numbers while supporting the partners financially through our strong balance sheet with 80% open credit facilities. Finally, as always, we aim to be the best. Today we are ISO certified, both in the information security and the process quality level. With this, I will conclude this segment of the session. And let's move on to the much awaited awards and recognition. I would like to invite our channel manager for UAE, Tamer Tahir.
Acknowledging outstanding achievement and innovations from across our global partner ecosystem has brought us closer to our channel community. We are thankful to all our partners for their exemplary support and contribution to our growth and success. It was indeed tough to choose a select few partners, and this year we would like to recognize those partners who have demonstrated excellence and have differentiated themselves in various aspects: specialization, strategic, and emerging partnership. Now for the fun part, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started with the first set of awards. The first award, Cybersecurity Leadership Award. This special award goes to a partner that delivers end-to-end solutions, serving the local market with the highest levels of professionalism and dedication. With a well-rounded portfolio, amazing skill set, and strategic commitment to the market. This is no surprise, ladies and gentlemen. The StarLink Cybersecurity Leadership Award goes to Manai Qatar. The next award, Cybersecurity Partner of the Year. This award goes to a partner that has gained a reputation for the unique approach to security built on the concept that effective security requires to be proactive, with continual performance evaluation to provide end-to-end security solutions. No wonder that the Cybersecurity Partner Award goes to Saudi Information Technology Company, SAI. The next award, Specialized Cybersecurity Partner of the Year. To succeed in any business, a vision and a strategy are important from day one. And the winner of this category had set a clear vision and kept focusing on it, driving many activities and building specific partnerships to achieve this dream. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of Specialized Cybersecurity Partner of the Year is Security Matters Saudi. The next award, Security Focused Partner of the Year. One of the most important elements of success is building the right partnership and relying on your ecosystem to achieve the common goals of growth. The winner of this category is a partner who had long-term vision, and we have been proudly building the right partnership over years, which has led to many great success stories. The winner of the Security Focused Partner of the Year is Emitak Oman. The next award, Cybersecurity Solution Integrator. This award goes to a partner that has an extensive reach and proven skill sets with capability on both cyber and cloud, and became the partner of the choice for many organizations. The winner of the Cybersecurity Solution Integrator Award is GBM Abu Dhabi. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the next award, which is Cybersecurity Partner of the Year, Levon. The winner of this category is a partner who has managed to build security success stories because of their diverse portfolio and excellence expertise. Ladies and gentlemen, the Cybersecurity Partner of the Year for the Levon goes to Aftek Jordan. The next award, Cybersecurity Advisory. This partner is one of the leading system integrators in South Asia, providing end-to-end security solutions to customers to achieve seamless business operations and the best return on investment. They managed to gain the trust and increase the market share within a few years. Ladies and gentlemen, the Cybersecurity Advisory Award goes to Innovative Integration, Pakistan. This is the end of the first set of awards. I'll be back with more.
We have invited 3 leading technology representing cyber, cloud, intelligent automation to be part of the panel discussion today. I would like to welcome from Trend Micro, the UAE country manager, Dr. Majd Sinan. Dr. Majd, with extensive experience of over 25 years in business management, development, and service delivery, is a subject matter expert with a solid engineering background and a thorough understanding of key trends and technology architecture within the IT industry. Maintains knowledge by continuously updating professional development. Welcome, Dr. Majd. Pleasure to have you. Joining the panel from Nutanix, the country manager of UAE, Oman, and Pakistan, Mr. Basil Qasim. Basil is a customer-focused, result-driven sales leader set on achieving exceptional results, building customer satisfaction, developing partnerships, and a new go-to-market strategy in highly competitive and aggressive environments. Welcome, Basil. Thank you, Basil. Great having you with us.
Thank you for having me.
I'm pleased to also invite from Informatica the Vice President, Middle East and Africa, Eastern Europe, Russia, CIS, and Turkey, Mr. Kashif Rafiq. Kash has over than 24 years experience combined with a deep understanding of the digital transformations and leading strategy for all aspects of go-to-market in emerging markets and mid-market. Extensive experience in leading change and sales transformation in data-driven digital transformation and B2B markets. Over the past 5 years, Cash has successfully grown Informatica business across the majority of solution segments, in addition to creating a deeper brand awareness in the marketplace. Welcome, Cash.
Pleasure.
Nice to have you.
Pleasure.
A warm welcome. Thank you for being with us today. Let me start with you, Cash. In the era of data, how has Informatica helped customers manage and structure their data in most efficient way?
Thank you, Ahmed, firstly. Pleasure to be here. Before I answer that question, let me just take a step back and give you a perspective of where Informatica is coming from. So we've started hearing talk in the market of the data era, and that's really of recent. If I look back into the history of Informatica, we've actually been a data management player for the last 27 years. Our focus and core strength has come from data management alone. Not just that, but actually our strong dominance and presence in the markets that we operate provide very compelling solutions to our customers. If by way of example, if I let you know that actually 85% of the top Fortune 100 companies lead with Informatica. And that's a position that we're very, very proud of. And that's a position that has come over time and has taken time to nurture and mature. Now, how do we align that kind of position to provide value propositions to our customers? Well, actually, we do this from a number of perspectives. Firstly, there's three main areas that I would personally say that we have been very strong in. The first is innovation. The second really is the special relationships that we have on the ground. And the third is actual position in the market itself, right? So if I just go back to innovation alone, I think Informatica has been extremely effective in anticipating market demand, the market need. We don't necessarily just bring out solutions that we anticipate to be, helpful to our customers. We actually listen to our customers. The feedback that we get from our customers is extremely important to us. I can give you examples. In 2018, we saw the need for hyperscalers that were entering the market and cloud providers that were growing in size, and we brought our Informatica Cloud Data Management solution out at that point. So that was in anticipation to what we saw, and again, it came from feedback from our customers. But not only that, if I look far afield and look at the requirements of data quality and governance and how cataloging has all been brought together to provide a data governance solution that is now being taken very seriously by the market and is an absolute requirement by our clients. It's another example of how we've aligned with our client base. And the third one really is around the enterprise having a 360 degrees view on its customer and its insights. And I think we've done tremendously well with our master data management solution.
Amazing. Now, Dr. Majd, we see Trend Micro achieving strategic wins and supporting customers through their digital transformation journey. Help us understand the role played by Trend Micro in ensuring an enhanced customer experience.
Thank you for having me today in this panel discussion. There is many factors leading to these success stories with Trend Micro in the region. As you know, Trend Micro company founded in 1988, and the company now is 33 years old. And we were in this region for more than 20 years, helping our customers and business partners to secure their digital assets by providing the best practices and best solutions. Moreover, the industry of the cybersecurity changed rapidly. The landscape of the threats changed rapidly, and Trend Micro dynamically changed with their solutions to fulfill these changes and to offer our customers the best practices, best solutions, based on the requirement that the cybersecurity needs. So I think this is the main factors that lead to these success stories in the region, and we are here to secure our customers and partner digital assets.
Perfect. Basil, With the rise of multi-cloud adoption, how does Nutanix help customers modernize their infrastructure and accelerate business transformations?
Thank you, Ahmed, first of all, for hosting me on this great panel. Well, as Nutanix, we started about 12 years ago, where we shipped also our first product 9 years back. And we started with the main idea of disrupting how cloud has been built or data centers have been built. And as we evolve today, the importance and the adoption that we're seeing in the multi-cloud environment is becoming extremely important. So based on a survey that we have conducted, about 82% of CIOs believe that multi-cloud or hybrid cloud is the way of the future, and this is going to be their preferred way of operating their IT infrastructure. And the idea behind it, and I think it's extremely important that we focus first of all on the advantages that this model brings, where we are allowing, or the concept of multi-cloud, hybrid cloud is allowing these customers to, to initiate their infrastructure requirements, to set up their applications very quickly on the cloud. They have also, or they are looking for that freedom to move their virtual machines and applications between their traditional on-premise cloud setup and the public cloud. On top of course, the many advantages that come with the cloud concept, whether it's demand elasticity, whether it's building your disaster recovery, and many, many other benefits. Now, that being said, of course, on the other side, public cloud comes with its own complexities and its own considerations. And this is where we're playing a major role of bridging that gap between the public cloud and the private cloud by providing a unified and evolving actually our concept to provide a unified software that allows you to manage all your workloads, whether it's on your premise, on your robo sites at the edge, whether you're talking about the public cloud or even having multiple public cloud implementations. So we're bridging that gap in principle, and we're trying to unify the user's experience so that they have or avoid that complexity that comes inherent with adopting the cloud in multiple locations.
Perfect. Now, we all know that partners is the core of our business, and we cannot scale without them. So Dr. Majd, help us to understand the tools and programs Trend Micro is offering to the channel community to help them scale in the cloud security and services domain.
Wonderful. As you know, Trend Micro is a channel-driven business model. So we depend on our ecosystem when it comes to the channel to fulfill our cycle of the sales or the solution delivery to our partners and customers in the region and globally. And this is why we have a global partner program to make sure that our partners, resellers, and distributors are enabled enough to be the advocate and the advisory role player with the customers when it comes to their requirement and needs about the cybersecurity. So we are providing through this program a lot of certifications and the training and enablement for those partners to go and deliver Trend Micro solutions in the right manner and to make sure that the customers are secured and their data and assets, digital assets, are in safe.
Awesome. So Bassel, we know that Nutanix is purely a channel-driven organization. How do you see the partnership evolve, and what kind of investment Nutanix committed toward channel empowerment?
Well, as a company, we started as a channel-driven company, and we will continue to invest and drive our business through our channels, whether it's partner, disti, or, as Dr. Majd mentioned, the importance of service providers today. So we will continue, of course, to invest on the enablement of our channel. We are actually also introducing new simplified ways of consuming our product for our partners. On top of that, of course, we're driving multiple programs, and we come up with incentive programs to drive that adoption of Nutanix through the partners into our customers, whether it's some of the, you probably heard of some of our latest programs, whether it's the Nutanix Elevate or the MSP program that we're coming up with, or the Go program. So these are all programs that incentivize and enable that partner to go and drive that adoption. And it's very important to mention that we are also currently looking at, or we have recently launched, a consumption-based modeling, which is becoming more important because we want to make sure that we are emulating that experience on the public cloud on your premise. So we're driving towards that OpEx model, that consumption-based metering or consumption-based invoicing that will facilitate and drive more adoption for the technology.
Amazing. That brings me to you, Kash. Let's have your thoughts on Informatica's partners equation. How do you define the partner of the future? And what are your expectations from the channel community?
Sure. An excellent question, Ahmed. I think also testament to the kind of change that we're going through right now. That change is not just happening on the client side, but also happening within the ecosystem itself. The definition of the partner of the future, I think, really needs to be looked at to understand why the partner of the past is having shortfalls right now. And I think once we see what those shortfalls are, we can then look to define the partner of the future. Because one thing is for sure, Ahmed, the partner of the future is evolving and changing consistently. If I look at we often talk about clients and their transformation and their needs. What we forget is that the partners are not just the partners of software vendors, not just the partners of distributors, but they're the partners of clients as well. And I think any partner of the future really needs to have, there's a lot of transformations taking place, but I think three main ones are of high consideration for me. The first is the time horizon. I think partners of the past have looked far too much short-sightedness, as in short-term gains rather than the long-term win. And I think that needs to be foregone now, especially as we move into the digital era. I think the second one is alliances, a huge factor in the way that we are going to be working together going forward. And that means alliances with some of the gentlemen that I'm sitting with today. One of the reasons why we chose StarLink was because of your ability and capacity to allow and support those alliances to take place. And, as much as we are a very, very strong player in the data management space, we're not going to be able to do anything if we can't give a compounded solution to the customer that adds value. And the third one is really sales motion. I think we need to look beyond the front-ended deal and look for our partners to be creating long-term relationships. We have to remember that digital transformations are extremely complex endeavors, and they don't just happen in 12 months or 6 months. We don't just leave a package there and say, Mr. Customer, open it and follow the instructions. If you want to be there as a true player, you have to go through the entire journey, and that could be up to 5 years plus.
Thank you, Kash. And actually, I would like to take the chance to talk about the solutions and how powerful is getting all this combined solution together. And I need to understand from you how important is a secured infrastructure for accelerating customers' cloud adoption with Informatica data management solution.
Sure. I think cloud is on the security around cloud is on the minds of every customer that is out there at this moment in time. One thing I can tell you is that data management is the backbone of any kind of data architecture. And security is absolutely the forefront of that, and that's what customers are thinking. As the adoption of cloud increases and accelerates, and more importantly, as those critical workloads become more and more relevant, there is clearly going to be a huge focus on the best practices and the standards that are relevant on any given cloud. And I think, Informatica, with its Informatica Cloud Data Management Suite and platform, takes security very, very seriously. Our Informatica Cloud Data Management Platform is actually based around its performance, resiliency, and the security itself. And we really do this by aligning ourselves with the best practices and the standards that are in the market. Standards such as SOC 1, 2, and 3, HIPAA, Cloud Shield, and FedRAMP.
Perfect. So, Basil, how important is it for Nutanix to integrate data management tool with automation while keeping the environment secure?
Very important question. Thank you very much for raising this, Ahmed. Well, at Nutanix, data centricity has always been at the core of our product development and was the main pillar on which the Nutanix HCI solution was built by our founders. So we continue to focus extensively on building and developing enterprise-grade data storage capabilities, from objects to files to the data mobility, data security, and data governance. Now, another important question you raised is on the automation. We truly believe that automation is simplicity. It doesn't have to come with all the complexities inherent into traditional data centers. So we continue to develop our solution and introduce a lot of automation, machine learning, artificial intelligence features to understand application behaviors and provide capacity planning features and enhance storage performance for data-intensive applications such as databases or big data analytics. Now, all of the above means requires a single management interface that will significantly decrease that operational overhead and allows our customers to really focus on their business priorities rather than manage the complexities of the infrastructure. Now, on the security side, with our security-first approach, the Nutanix AOS, or the Acropolis operating system, provides powerful built-in virtual networking, end-to-end encryption, enhanced disaster recovery, automated creation of security policies, security patching, superior ransomware protection for files, and simplified zero-trust security that would otherwise require dedicated hardware, software, and resources, as well as human skills to implement it. And I think to Kash's point, security has been a big, I wouldn't say inhibitor, but a big concern on top of CIOs' minds as to why they want to go onto the public cloud and how do they integrate that, into their cloud journey. So security, by providing that secure infrastructure along with the automation and the data centricity that we have always built our solution on, we are able to extend to our customers an automated infrastructure that really offloads them from managing these infrastructure complexities, silos, and moving them to focus on what's important for us today, which is the business transformation and business outcomes.
Thank you, Basil. Now, Dr. Majd, since security is overlooking all the assets, considering the importance of data privacy, how does Trend Micro address the sensitivity of this aspect, especially with the increasing demand in cloud adoption and information management?
As you know, the adoption of the cloud, it become more with the current industry. And right now, this topic about the data residency and the data privacy is very sensitive for our customers, government or enterprise or banking sector. And we in Trend Micro, we understand this sensitivity big time. So we are always try and follow up all the compliances, global compliances and regulations. So we are comply, for example, with the GDPR. We are comply with the CBAA, and also we follow all the regulations and authority requirement in the local regions and in countries. Moreover, the Trend Micro strategy is to be always comply with the regulations needs and rules, even in each country. This is why in Trend Micro we are bringing our solutions into the local service provider cloud. As an example, in UAE and Bahrain, we have Trend Micro XDR platform, which is under name Vision One, Trend Micro Vision One, to support our customers when it's needed as a cybersecurity as a service and to secure their digital assets inside the country borders and with service solution as a service and within the cloud inside the country. So this is the best practices that Trend Micro trying to make sure the data privacy and the data protection and the data residency is respected in each country through using our Trend Micro solutions.
Amazing. Dr. Majd, Kash, and Basil, thank you for being us today. It was a very insightful session.
All right, let's move on to the next set of awards. Cybersecurity Strategy Award. Building a strategy around our goals is a key to our success. And the winner of this category is a partner who has realized the importance of setting a strategy around cybersecurity a long time ago and remain consistent and focused on their plans, which make them one of the leaders in the cybersecurity domain. The cybersecurity strategy partner is QCS Qatar. The winner of the next category is a partner that was always part of our go-to-market in Egypt, a partner that built a strong team and chose the right technologies to build their legacy in Egypt. The winner of the Strategic Partner of the Year, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Bunya Systems, Egypt. The next award, Cyber and Cloud Vision Partner of the Year. This partner has formulated our post-cloud strategy since years and was leading in the market. As a result, they became the pioneers and the first to adopt multiple technologies on the cloud in a simple and efficient way. The Cyber and Cloud Vision Partner of the Year is STCS Saudi Arabia. The next award, Solution Integration Partner of the Year. This is a partner that offers a range of services varying from data center and smart building infrastructure development to sophisticated cybersecurity solution with a unique consultative approach. Ladies and gentlemen, the Solution Integration Partner of the Year award goes to DR Kuwait. The next award, Cyber and Cloud Champion. The winner in this category is a partner that managed to create a solid security business within a challenging geography and added real value to the customers and vendors and delivered extraordinary results in a very short time. The Cyber and Cloud Champion Award of the Year goes to NX Digital Technology, UAE. The next award, Data Center and Cloud Specialist Award. One of the most important elements of success is building the right partnership. The winner of this category is a partner who had a long-term vision, and we have been proudly building this alliance over the years, which led to many great success stories. To celebrate this partnership, ladies and gentlemen, the award for the Data Center and Cloud Specialist goes to Protect Jordan. I would like to invite to the stage Samir Hamdan, the country manager for UAE, Oman, Pakistan, and Iran.
Congratulations to all our winners. Great job. Well done, everyone. As you know, Tamer, StarLink has always been partner-centric, and our partner community has played a significant role in our success. Therefore, every year, we have taken it upon ourselves to empower our partners with new and innovative initiatives to grow and support their aspirations and transform them to become specialized and autonomous. This year, we bring 3 new initiatives that are designed from a technology adoption and market expansion perspective. Our first initiative is StarLink Extra. StarLink has continuously aligned at every level to support channel partners, grow their business, and become profitable through its comprehensive portfolio that ranges from infrastructure to cloud solutions. We have the expertise to facilitate our customers through our partners with turnkey solutions rather than silo product selling practices. This is at the core of our go-to-market strategy. StarLink, being true to its commitment, is all set to go the extra mile and has introduced a value-add initiative, StarLink Extra. Let me explain. StarLink has, over the past 17 years, built a robust ecosystem of innovative technologies. Our data lifecycle, which starts from data residency, as the data will be sitting in the data center or in the cloud. Now, how do we use the data? Clearly, it needs to be communicated and sent to the users, which is why we need communication and networking tools. And we have built a solid portfolio of those solutions. Next, can any user within an organization see the same data? Definitely no, which means we need to manage the access of those users and organizations to ensure they are eligible to see that data. Furthermore, we need to manage the risks and potential compliance issues triggered through giving the access to the relevant users. And then, how do we keep an eye on the data to protect it? And how do we keep an eye on the environment through a single pane of glass to ensure we are proactively aware of any anomalies to manage future risks? And then finally, how to implement digital solutions securely to automate the business and make it efficient and more agile in an ever-evolving markets. All this through a holistic and integrated solutions approach. StarLink Extra will support you in creating multiple technology solutions to meet your customers' demands, which will be deployed through an army of experts, solution architects, pre-sales team, and BDMs who would be working on the ground to deliver this extraordinary experience. This year, our goal is to provide you with 100+ opportunities with multiple products and technologies. In this regard, please connect with the relevant StarLink teams in your country for further details and let us help you achieve your goals. The next initiative that I want to talk about is StarLink Cloud. We are experiencing rapid digital transformation and organizations are under huge pressure to reduce costs, mitigate risks, and achieve scalability. StarLink Cloud aims to accommodate this transformation, especially as we see an increase in cloud adoption, and we look forward to aligning with our partners to keep pace with this massive alteration. Under this initiative, StarLink will partner with top cloud providers to support the region and collaborate with MSSPs and CSPs to deliver robust cloud solutions and services to customers jointly. To initiate this, we have designed a cloud playbook together with the right setup and skilled expertise to support you in delivering a unique cloud experience. StarLink is leading this with many of our strategic security, infrastructure, and data center vendors who have cloud solutions as part of their offering. Watch out for more on this. Moving on, what do we have next? I think you all would agree that having a balanced ecosystem of technologies and vendors is key to business sustainability. Here, we are yet again raising the bar to another level of commitment to protect our partners' investment within our vendors' ecosystem. Our third initiative is directed towards this objective. I'm pleased to introduce StarLink Fund. As we grow, we are also committed to support our channel ecosystem by bringing in new vendors and creating newer opportunities. With this initiative, StarLink has allocated massive investment in our listed vendors. This is a strong message to the partner community that Starlink is here to sustain and to build long-term partnerships. Starlink Fund will strengthen the vendors' position in the region by enhancing their capabilities to expand and to invest more by adding resources to give you, our partners, the opportunity to cater to your customers with confidence. We have yet another exciting news to share, probably you would have heard of. Being at the top is our passion, and it's our responsibility to keep the business growing for you, our partners. After 17 successful years with year-on-year growth, we will witness in the coming months another milestone to this exceptional journey, with Starlink going for an IPO. Listing Starlink in the stock market will allow us to invest more in our region and see through our vision to become a billion-dollar company by 2025. With you, our channel community, by our side. We have exciting time ahead together. Let's align to transform for the future. Thank you, and now I will hand it over to Tamer again.
Let's move on to the next set of awards. The next award goes to a partner that has managed to build and implement a cybersecurity practice in a very dynamic geography. Moreover, managed to take this strategy and extend it to a new geographies and prove to be a real value-added system integrator in every country they operate in. The award of long-standing partnership goes to Bark System. The next award is a very special category for us. It is to acknowledge one of our emerging partnership, and we are proud to be part of their success and growth. A partner that complemented our plans with immediate action and resulted to them becoming the fastest growing partner. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the fastest growing partner goes to Diverse Egypt. The next award, Cyber and Cloud Specialist. This is a partner that delivers hybrid IT solution, technical services, and consultancy. Aim to build partnership with technology leaders across the globe and provides local expertise in each geography within their coverage. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Cyber and Cloud Specialist category is MDS Saudi. Let's move on to the next award, which is Cybersecurity Practice and Initiatives Award. To be a specialist is to dedicate a lot of efforts toward gaining the trust of your customers. The winner of this category has been partner of choice for many customers because of their diverse portfolio and excellence in delivery. The winner of Cybersecurity Practice and Initiatives Award goes to Infratech Saudi Arabia. The next award, Service Provider Champion. The winner in this category is a partner that had a long proven track record of building and implementing critical data center solutions and has gained the trust across markets as a leader in this domain. The Service Provider Champion of the Year is Ooredoo Kuwait. Next award, StarLink Partner Choice Program Champion. 16 years and counting, this partner continues to provide their customers with the strategic consultancy combined with the tailored information security solution and services. The focus was on cybersecurity since day one, in addition to the clear vision and strategy around next generation security solutions. This made them always ahead of the curve. Ladies and gentlemen, the StarLink Partner Choice Program Champion is Help AG UAE. The next award, Cloud Solution Champion. The winner of this category is a partner that was always part of our go-to-market in UAE. A partner that built a strong team, choose the right technologies and partnership to build their legacy. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Injazat UAE. This was the last set of awards for today. On behalf of StarLink family, we would like to congratulate all the winners and thank all our partners for being with us today at StarLink Partner Summit 2022. With that, I would like to ask both Ahmed and Samer to rejoin us back to the stage to conclude the session.
Thank you, Tamer.
Thank you.
And heartily congratulations to all the winners. Well done. Our partners have a special role to play in our upcoming 5-year growth plan. This is evident from all the strategies and initiatives we have shared with you today, and those that we will be formulating in the coming future. We will continue to invest and nurture this partnership for the best outcomes. Together, we will collaborate with a unified purpose, grow our capabilities, and redefine our partnership.
Together, we will deliver integrated technologies and be an integral part of our customers' success story.
Together, we will transform and build a progressive future.
Thank you all. And with this, we will conclude the event. We look forward to a great partnership in 2022 and beyond.